Presenting JBL Go 2 Bluetooth portable speaker in black color. It has dimensions 8.6 into 3.16 into 7.12 centimeters that weighs just 183.99 grams. This 3.1 watt JBL Go 2 speaker offers powerful bass and full JBL signature sound for its size. It features IPX7 waterproof housing for worry-free listening by the beach, poolside, or even in it. It comes with noise-cancelling speakerphone for crystal-clear conference calls over your speaker. It also comes with audio cable input for non-Bluetooth devices. It comes with built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that supports up to 5 hours of playtime. This wireless Bluetooth streaming speaker is compatible with smartphone and tablet. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.